Hello. In today's episode, we are going to take a look at Basecamp's Trix, a rich text editor for everyday writing, and how to get it working on our Rails application. Let's code. Okay, so I'm on the Trix website at the moment, and as you can see, it's quite a nice looking white WYSIWYG, a what you see is what you get editor. And the goal for this episode is to get this set up on our Rails application. The best thing we need to do is let's set up a new Rails app. Rails new treats. Now while that's running, let's take a look at the Makhmali 7 Trix GitHub repo. That's kindly created a Rubygem for us to use. All we have to do is add the Trix gem, import the Trix styles, and require the Trix JavaScript, which is easy enough to do. So let's do that. Okay, now let's get into our application. Let's add Trix. Still bundle install. Open up our application CSS file. Let's require Trix. That's what we need to do, require Trix, and also add it to our application.js file here. Okay, now let's scaffold a post, which will have title, it's going to be a string, and a body, it's going to be text. Great. Let's migrate the database. Fantastic. Now let's open up the Rails server, start the Rails server, and what I'm going to do also is create a root path to our post index action. Now let's get to our application. Let's create a new post. Let's do hello world. What's up? Create. Okay, so that's working. So what we need to do now is in place, we need to add this Trix editor to our form. Now let's open up our form. So instead of text area, we want to add Trix editor. Also, I'm going to change the body display to HTML safe. Actually, let's not do that yet. Let's take a look and see what happens. Hello Earth. As you can see, it's got this nice WYSIWYG controller at the top here. It's really nice. fake, and you can even undo, redo, undo, redo. Let's save that. Now, as you can see here, it's actually saved HTML tags onto the database. So that's actually not going to show up the formatting, strong, pre, etc. Now, what we need to do in show is add this .html safe as well as our index, which loops through all of our post. Save that. If we refresh, see, it's nicely formatted now. Let's create a new post. Hello, composer. Not a planet. Creepy. Let's do a list. Line. Post. There you go. Nice and simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Take a look at the Trix website on the Basecamp GitHub page, and as well as the Trix Rubygem by Jon Moss. Thanks, Jon. We appreciate it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you soon.